Hi there, Titans. My name is Paige, and today I'm going to show you a really cool functionality where I use the power table to bulk create records for different contacts to attend this event. Now, this functionality could be used for a multitude of ways to bulk create records with different information on it. So this is what I am doing. Let's go ahead and preview it. And we can see that imagine me as like a yoga instructor. I can select which class I just taught, say the date and time of the class. So let's say it starts at 7:15 or maybe 7 o'clock. That looks good. And then I can set myself as the instructor. And now I get to say who attended this event. So I'll go ahead and select a few students here. And you can see their membership status, their level, their email address right here. And then when I hit submit, it's going to create a custom object, which I named event attendance, for each one of these contacts. So it's going to have a event attendance record that's related to the contact. It's also going to link the class and the instructor. So let's watch this happen. Very, very quickly, we're creating, I don't know, probably 6 different records right there. And this functionality is not really available to happen quickly in Salesforce. So this is huge. And the way that, let me just show you the integration logs real quick. Here you can see all of those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of those things were all created really quickly. And let me go ahead and refresh this guy. And we can see that all 7 of these yoga students we're able to get a new event attendance record, and you can see that the event is linked right here, and the user, that's the instructor, is right here. And then the attendees. That is really, really cool. And I mean, just think about the ways that you could use this functionality. Now let me show you what I did to make sure that this worked. Really, the only thing that you have to do is turn on the selection for your power table. Allow selection. That's all I had to do. And then also make sure that you're mapping that ID. So the value, this is the automatic value, so don't change that. That's really important for this functionality. And then in Salesforce, so I have my push where I'm creating event attendance. Go ahead and turn on bulk mode here. So this will create multiple records. And then in the mapping for my attendees, this is what is going to be receiving, a different record for each one of the attendees. So I chose power table selection, and then I set this to bulk mode as well. So that identifies that each of my attendees will have their own attendance record created. So that is how I did that. And by following those little steps, whenever I hit submit, it can now make a new record for each of these contacts that were selected, and only the ones that were selected. And it also was mapped to have the same fields for each one of those records created. So that is how you can create bulk records using the power table. Really, really cool tool to streamline your workflow processes. And just think about, like, if we had this as a Lightning Web component, you could have this inside Salesforce and then create records for lots of different contacts or accounts in a click of a button. So thank you for watching, and I hope this inspires you.